What up, gang? It's your boy Charge 17 3.0 coming at you guys with another video today. This one is not on my car by anything. Right here, what I got right here is a steering wheel heated steering. It's for to make your steering wheel heated. You know, like most cars come built in. You can have this for the half of a whole car yourself, buying it, financing, leasing it, and everything. Cable for it. This is going on the Mrs. car right here, y'all. Let me turn the camera around. It's going on it. Ooh, let me zoom out. It's going on it for hers right here on her little Toyota car here, her Toyota vehicle. It's gonna go on it. This is for to make your steering wheel heated. You know, back then these vehicles didn't come with the heated steering wheel and everything, all that fancy stuff. A few years, couple years later, now they come with a lot of stuff, features with it. Right now I'm making a video on the fly here, y'all. So I'm like, oh, I'm putting this on. I'm like, wait a minute. Let me stop, grab my camera out. Well, I'm at home, but I ain't want to run inside, get the other stuff. This is a quick video. I'm trying to, matter of fact, I'm gonna hold the camera and install it myself with one hand. Make sure I get the cable where I want it. So I should've, there we go. It's easy. Here. I'm gonna do this all with one hand. All with one hand. I mean, installments are cool, especially if there's. I said all with one hand. Hold on, guys. Let me see if I can prop you guys. Oh, I do. Hold on. Let me pause you guys. Yeah, let me sit you guys up, bro, where I can show you real good here. Got you in there. There you go. Hold on. Set you guys up. Hey, you see that right there? That's why I got a video maybe by next month coming for this. It's gonna look kind of crazy here, but I'm gonna get this back on. I just took it off, so I'm gonna do an installment real quick. I believe the missus got this off if Mopar may already see this, he already know where we probably got this off of Amazon. Yo, a lot of my stuff do come off of Amazon, as you're aware. You know, a lot of the people here local, especially with a couple of the YouTubers, Mopar Maine, AO Joe. Shout out to both of those guys. Those are cool guys. Want everybody go to AO Joe's channel and go check out one of his last videos he put out of him with his new house he had got, his new crib. And go check out my guy Mopar Maine. He does quite a bit of stuff too on there. Go watch a lot of his old videos and recent. Those cool guys right there. And some more other YouTubers around here. But I'm not sure is those guys doing any YouTube videos recently. Like most like those two guys is, and of course myself here. You know, putting on these, you know, I don't have to worry about putting on the steering wheel cover or nothing. Let me get this right. This is the fun part, putting on the steering wheel. This on this side, because this is going to be the back side. Cool part is it's like cloth. It's not leather like most of our steering wheels are leather. You know, once the missus know my steering wheel was pretty much heated, she's like, oh. And I'm like, I believe, I mean, you can get a whole new car if you want that. And she was like, what? Nah. She liked this one pretty much for her. So I'm like, well, we can look online. You know, of course, I went to Amazon. There we go, guys. Let me wrap it around where I think where she would like to have it at. Her hands are way much smaller than mine because my hand pretty much, her hand grips around it, but you know, her hand's not that big. Now let me get this thing. Now I gotta see where she got an outlet. Hold on, we gotta see where she got an outlet at here. We get to showing my merch that I got on. Alright guys, I know your lady's cars probably got a lot of stuff in here. That's what I'll be seeing. Okay. I'm about to turn the car on. Okay. I'll hit the steering. Ooh. Got that on. I'm gonna have to place the cable somewhere in a nice. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna have to place the cable. See, I got it running through the back. This here, it's kind of out the way because see, like where my leg at is out the way, right here. So I'm gonna have to place the cable. It goes all the way to right here. You see, right there. I'm gonna have to place the. I mean, it's a fat cable though, so in a way, it's like oh no, because I can't place it anywhere because I forgot when you're turning, this area needs to be like a bungee cord. Anyway, let me see if I close the little door. So you're gonna have to have that open. See, like most of our vehicles, we can the outlets are on the outside where you can get to them. I thought she had one over here. Oh, she still got one. Nah, I don't want to loop it. I'm gonna have to see if I can loop it around. But yeah, let me see. Is it coming on? This shit is like weird. I don't know nothing about this. What's that new? I mean, ain't no button to turn it on or off, so let me turn it on. Oh, it says it's on. I'm gonna sit here and see. Cause you know our cars, our heated steering wheels don't take long to get heated, you know. Okay, I feel the heat. I mean, y'all guys ain't gonna be able to feel the heat. It's crazy. I'm like, well, I'm about to say you guys can feel the heat too, but it's not like the. Okay, it's warming up. All right, like for our steering wheels, it's different. You know, when it's built into the system itself. Like for the right now, like for what I got, at a certain temperature degrees outside, I want to say if it's below 35 degrees, it's going to let you. It automatically kicks in when the car turns on. So if it's nice and warm outside, you ain't got to worry about it. Ain't gonna turn on. Don't worry about that. I got mine set on auto, so when I get in, if my hands are cold from cleaning the car on the outside, if I don't forget to put my gloves on, but okay, yeah, it's warming up now. Yeah, it's warming up. So this is something like new for her. She will have to get used to this. Because like I said, it's totally different. It's not like ours where it heat up automatically on our vehicles. But yeah, this just was a quick video, guys, of me installing the heated steering wheel over your factory steering wheel. I'm put in the description of what this is and the size for the steering wheel. Because some steering wheels are different, you know. Like for us, we ain't got to worry about that for all. I want to say for all the Dodge Chargers and Challengers, anything pretty much Dodge, you ain't got to worry about. Toyota and stuff, some vehicles come with things and some vehicles don't. So yeah, you have to, if your vehicle come with it, you don't got to worry about this type of accessory for your vehicle, this added feature, or I would say an added mod, because this is like a heated thing, so it is an added mod. But yeah, with that said, guys, oh, see this on my hat? Oh, got it with the C17 in the middle, y'all. You see that? Got it on the sweater. Like I said, I got video by next month coming out. But I want to check out some other stuff that's coming my way. So yeah, we got some things coming for you guys. Like I said, I do a lot of stuff behind the scene, off the camera. I stay to keep myself busy when I'm not making videos and stuff. So as you see, this one of the things here I just did. I almost not made a video. I'm like, hold up, I can make a video of this. Matter of fact, it's gonna go up right now. As I'm speaking right now, I'm gonna upload this video right pretty much when I go inside, upload it and everything. I don't got to edit nothing. Just been my intro and everything is good to go. Other than that, guys, this is your boy Charlie17 3.0. Out to the next vlog or next video, whatever I do next. You guys stay tuned. You already know what to do. Hit that like, subscribe. If you want this merch that you see I got on, it's on my site right now, and I'm working on other stuff that's already on there. So check it out. You like what you see? This, you ain't gonna find on there. Not on there yet. I might put that on there. Yeah, matter of fact, I'm gonna put that on there because I like this. This is actually, let me show you guys. I said you guys got a video for next month. I got my stuff on right now. Some of it was got it on right now. This is one of the beanies right here. You know, this here is like pretty much my sample. I like the sweater because I ain't really a big coat guy in the wintertime, unless I'm out doing some real snow things like sledding type. But I ain't going sledding because around here we ain't getting snow like that. Unless I'm ready to go to the Bristol Mountains and all that crazy skiing things, I ain't about to go way out there. I mean, I could, but this is your boy Charlie17 3.0. We out to the next vlog. This was installing the heated cover steering wheel on there. So hit that like, subscribe. Like I said, if you see what I got on, you like this, go check out my site. It's gonna be in the description, y'all. So they're gonna be in the description. You guys looking for something like this? What I got on, you like what I got on? Support your boy right here. Just keep going up, guys. 2021. And you already know what to do. We out to the next vlog, everyone. Don't forget, like and share, subscribe, comment at free will. We out. How about looking at this here? Woo. Peace, everybody.